How do you create a new post on Threads? So anywhere you are here, you've got the icons at the bottom, and the middle one actually is to create a new post. So we create a post, we can type in whatever text we want. We can attach imagery if we'd like from our camera roll. The other thing we can do is put in links. If you have a link, you can't do an image as well, but we can paste this link in. Actually, you might be able to do an image because there's the auto thumbnail, but you can hit the X button on that. And now you can also link an image with your link, if you will. In the bottom left, it says anyone can reply. You can change that to anyone, profiles you follow, or profiles you mentioned only. You can do the same thing, like mention profiles, like I could mention Pixel and Bracket and then select it. So now, just like on Twitter, you could do little app mentions, and then we could post. And once we posted, we can see it on our feed here. We can actually hide the likes of this. So if you click the three dots, you can still select who can reply from there and also hide the like count. Right now you can't edit it, but you can share it to Twitter if you'd like. So you can click the little airplane icon and add it to your story on Instagram, post to your feed on Instagram, or even tweet it. You can then copy that link or share as well. So a lot of shareability options here with all your posts. And that's how you can make a post on Threads.